Let's stick with the Aam Aadmi Party. Varanasi will officially become the most watched contest this Lok Sabha election, with Arvind Kejriwal filing his nomination later today. Headlines Today gets you detailed coverage with reporters all across the town. We have Preeti Chaudhary, Ankit Tyagi and Gaurav Sawant stationed along Arvind Kejriwal's planned rally route, getting us updates throughout the day.
A major criticism that Aam Aadmi Party activists here are facing is majority of them are outsiders. And let me put that question to some of the supporters who have assembled here at the Lahura Bir Bridge. Aam Aadmi Party का एक criticism ये हो रहा है, बदनामी ये हो रही है कि ज़्यादातर लोग बाहर से आए हैं.
बाहर के कोई लोग नहीं है जो पार्टी के पदाधिकारी. सुनिए, बाहर से कोई आदमी नहीं है, पार्टी के पदाधिकारी हैं, वो चुनाव लड़वा रहे हैं. यहाँ बनारस की जनता है.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं गाजियाबाद से हूँ.
आप गाजियाबाद से?
बिल्कुल गाजियाबाद से.
Let's put this question to more people here in Banaras. How many people? आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं यहीं से हूँ. जी. देखिए, ऐसा है कि कोई बाहरी नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ सब भारतीय हैं. केजरीवाल भारतीय है, इसलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और सुनिए, लोग ये कहते हैं कि
to counter this talk that they are outsiders or not from Varanasi, they say most of the people here are from India, and whether they come from Banaras or not is immaterial. With cameraman Yogendra Singh, Gaurav Sawant in Varanasi for Headlines Today.
It is noisy and it is colourful out there in Varanasi. Preeti Chaudhary and Ankit Tyagi are on the ground getting us live updates. Preeti, I want to start with you. Tell us where you are and what viewers can expect through the day from there.
Pierre, I'm at the final stop of Arvind Kejriwal. I'm at the Kacheri, the court house here. I'll ask Imanshu, my camera person, to give a little perspective to our viewers. There's reason why this place is not thronging with crowds and supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party, because the cops here have cordoned off this area largely. Arvind Kejriwal will make this journey after his cavalcade of 2.5 kilometers by foot. He'll be accompanied by no more than 5 people, supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party, and he will walk this distance right behind me at the Kachari, the courthouse, where he will be filing in his nomination. Heavy police deployment, Pierre, if we can tell our viewers. You can see right there, this is the SP of Varanasi. We're going to try and speak to him as well. Sir, can we just talk to you for a minute? Sir, 2 minutes इधर आ जाइएगा. Thank you. We're going to speak to him. कितने deployment कैसी है सर, जो security है?
Security की deployment जो है, उसमें जो कैंडिडेट है मिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, उनके साथ 3 सर्कल ऑफिसर लगाए गए हैं. उसके अलावा ATS की कमांडो टीम लगी हुई है एंड कई एसओज लगाए गए हैं. एंड इसके लिए एक रिंग फॉर्मेशन में पूरी फोर्स को लगाई गई है उनके सिक्योरिटी पर्पस के लिए.
क्योंकि उन पे इतने सारे अटैक्स हुए हैं पिछले, मतलब फिजिकल अटैक्स हुए हैं, थप्पड़ वप्पड़ पड़ा है, तो कोई एक वॉल है जो उनके जो बातचीत चल रही है कि दिल भी कंप्लीटली क्वार्टर्ड ऑफ रहेंगे पब्लिक से?
इन जनरली डेफिनेटली जब कोई भी नोन पर्सनालिटी है, इस तरह के जो भी पब्लिक फिगर होते हैं, जब भी कोई सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट की भी बात आती है, तो हम लोग इस तरह का रिंग फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. जो फोर्स है उसको एक रिंग में उनमें लेकर चलते हैं या बॉक्स में बना करके. दैट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर द मिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल.
आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग ट्रबल बिटवीन द बीजेपी यूथ विंग एंड द आम आदमी पार्टी, क्योंकि थोड़े क्लैशेस अभी भी रिपोर्ट हो चुके हैं?
आई डोंट थिंक सो.
You don't think so?
We are very much confident.
You're confident that it will happen in a peaceful process. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was the SP of the area. Extremely confident that Arvind Kejriwal will file his nomination in a peaceful manner. So, Pierre, before you go to Ankit, yes, we are waiting for Arvind Kejriwal, but this would be his final destination. I'm sure Ankit is in the middle of all the crowds and the Aam Aadmi Party supporters.
Indeed. We can see what Ankit sort of has in store for us. Ankit, plenty of people around you. Tell us what's going on there.
Well, I am at the starting point from where Arvind Kejriwal will begin his 2.5 kilometer road show. This is Lahura Bir Chauraha in Varanasi. From here, Arvind Kejriwal will begin his journey. And if my camera person Yogendra can pan and show it to you, this the people, those who are standing on a jeep, is the open jeep on which he will be traveling. Also, the sound system and everything is ready. There is a Chandrasekhar Azad statue here, which Arvind Kejriwal will first go and garland, and then he will be going across for this 2-kilometer road show. From here, he'll be going to Maldaya, where Sardar Patel's statue will be garlanded by him, and then on his way to Kacheri, where Preeti Chaudhary was just sending us that report. As Gaurav also sent that report, there are many, almost more than 2,000 to 3,000 people, those who have already assembled here at the Laura Bir Chauraha. And about the criticism that many people say that all of these volunteers and people have come from outside. All these people, those who are standing with me, have their I cards. They wanted to show it to us that they are from Banaras. आप लोग कहाँ से हैं? लोग कह रहे हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल की जितनी ताकत है वो सारी बाहर से आई हुई है।
वो झूठ बोलने वाले की पार्टी है जिसने कुछ दिखा दिया है, कुछ मीडिया वाले ने भी बनारस कराने वाला है। हम लोग सब बनारस वाले हैं। इसके पहले जो कहा गया था वो गलत कहा गया था कि बाहर से आई है। हम लोग सब बनारसी हैं।
Although the managers of Arvind Kejriwal's campaign might be from outside, there might be the people, those who are leading the campaign, because they were the ones, his core team was in Delhi. They might be here trying to put the strategy in place, but all these people, those who are here, they are from Banaras. That is what they are saying. Today would of course be a very important day as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. I spoke to Manish Sisodia earlier, and at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, we got a sneak peek at Arvind Kejriwal's residence where the final preparations were being done, and there he said that it is not a day to show strength, but of course we will make sure that people of Banaras know that Arvind Kejriwal has arrived, and he has arrived to challenge Narendra Modi.